Yo, what's
Wait,
up?
cancel.
Oh my fucking god.
Go.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's Jose again, bro. And we out here in Alaska, bro. You already know. Look at the snow, man. It's going like crazy today, bro. I just want to walk faster. I just want y'all to like see this shit, bro. Like, you know, like it's snowing like crazy out here. Come on, let's go. Beautiful. You know, this shit beautiful, but it's beautiful until you gotta get that shovel and start shoveling the snow, you know. Also dangerous. Yo, what is it? Hey, this is daily vlog number 4, you know. I'm just vlogging my shit after school, you know, trying to make it out the hood and shit. Trying to make it out the hood. Come here, man. Trying to make it out the hood. Come on. Trying to go viral. I don't know. Yeah, I'm trying to be famous. Trying to go viral. But not gonna lie, it's not easy, bro. But consistency is key. You know, if you do something for long enough, you get it. So just keep doing it, and that's what I'm gonna do. Bro, why are you doing all that, bro? Chill. Hey, come on, man. Today, I ain't got shit to do. I just wanted to record this. I just wanted you guys to see this shit. Hey, watch out. There's a car coming over. Yo, hey, by the way, today we're going to be shoveling people's houses because, you know, the snow has been crazy, so we're finna be out here shoveling people's houses. And I'm gonna make sure I get that on video for you guys. All right. And the damn video, bro. Oh, yo, motherfucker, why is this? What is this? Shit. Holy shit. Yeah, you already know, bro. Hey, and the motherfucker, bro. Holy shit. Give me that. Look at that. For real, bro. That's somebody's trash can, bro. We should do that. Okay, that was fun. We should find more trash can and kick them. Or not. Alright, let's go. I'm done. Alright, bro. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, man. Don't walk away with my phone. You're the worst cameraman ever, bro. You know that?